Hey, what's up, y'all? This is E-Waste Alpha. E-Waste Alpha. Check it out, y'all. This is a motor that I'm about to break down on Motor Mountain. Okay? Remember, you should always build a motor mountain. That way, when you do it, you're going to be doing the same thing over and over. So what I'm about to show y'all is this right here. This is copper. On these motors, outside on the nipples, there is copper in these. All right, guess what else is in here? Silver. Yes, silver is actually in this part, but I'm not going to get the silver because you need a blowtorch to cut around this to get the silver. There is silver right up in here, and there's silver right up in there. It's used to make this connection right here for the quote unquote oil and fluid and freon. But what I'm going to do is show you how to take these off without using a cutting wheel. All right, now you're going to need a cutting wheel to open up this thing, and I'm gonna show you a video after I open it up. I'll show you a video on that. But for right now, what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a pair of 10 snips. If you don't have 10 snips, you can use some channel locks. All right, or guess I forgot them. You can use a pair of pliers. All right, this is just a regular pair of pliers. Some would call these channel locks too, but I consider these basically pliers, because they're really small, but they're technically called channel locks. So just 2 pair of channel locks, 10 snip, whatever you can use. Just use whatever you got. Sometimes you can use your hand. But what you're gonna do is you're going to take your 10 snip, you're gonna pinch it just like that, as hard as you can. See how I made that indentation? And then you're going to take, there it is, see that? And you're gonna work it off. Boom, there it is, it came out. There's your copper. Drop it in the bucket. Done. So there it is, y'all. That's how you remove the tubes off of your motors when you do your motor mounting. This motor is really ugly. Look at all this grease on it. But there's a lot of copper up in this motor. And remember, the older the motor, the better. I always try to go for the older, larger ones, because some of the newer ones are small and they have aluminum. But the older, the better. All right, y'all. That's your E-Waste Alpha, E-Waste Alpha tip of the day. I'm out. Peace.